Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. I'd like to show you how to make our bubble tower Take It Make It craft kit that's available at our branches while supplies last. This craft kit is for ages 6th grade and younger, and when you pick up your bag, you're going to find a cup with a hole punched in the side, a rubber band, a straw, 2 pieces of paper towel, and a cup with some dish soap in it. To start this craft, what you're going to do is take one of the pieces of paper towel and put it over the top of the cup. And then take the rubber band and put the rubber band just under the lip of the cup there and make it nice and straight across. You're going to need some water with this, and if you take the water, you're just going to put some of it on the top. Actually, I'm going to pour a little bit. There we go. It doesn't need to be on the sides, it just needs to be on the top of the paper towel. Then you're going to take your soap. Now this soap is concentrated, which means that it's really strong, so we can water it down some. So if you put some warm water in here, fill it about a third of the way full or half full. Even if you fill it all the way to the top, it's still going to work. And then shake it up to mix it really good. And then you're going to take this soap and use your finger to rub it all over the top of the paper towel where it's wet. The dish soap that we gave you is concentrated, but if you were to use dish soap at home, you wouldn't need to add water to it. You're going to take your straw once you find the hole, and you're going to slide it right in there very carefully. Now sometimes these holes rip, so you have to be gentle with it. If it does rip, you can put some tape on it there to hold it together better, or just use your finger to cover it. And then once you have your straw in the hole, you can there you go. You have yourself a bubble tower, and you can get these going really tall sometimes, so keep trying it. And if your paper towel rips, that's okay. You have a second one, so you can start all over again. Be sure to watch MADL.org for more events that we're having, especially for the summer reading, which will be starting in June. And keep track of our Facebook page and our YouTube channel for more fun and exciting events.